In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Outlook for company email. By the end, you'll have your work mailbox connected in Outlook on the web so you can manage everything from one place with minimal hassle. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to Outlook on the web. If you're not already signed in, log into your primary Outlook account so you can access your settings. Once your mailbox loads, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon to open Settings. This is the quickest way to access the controls you'll need, and it's the same location across most modern browsers and screen sizes. In the Settings panel that appears, navigate to Accounts, then choose Email Accounts. This section is where Outlook manages any connected or linked mailboxes. It's designed to make adding a work account straightforward while keeping your personal and work messages organized. Next, select the option to add a new account. You'll see a button labeled Add Account with a plus sign. Clicking this tells Outlook you want to connect another mailbox so messages can flow into your current view. When prompted, enter your company email address and the corresponding password. Type these carefully to avoid connection errors. Depending on your organization's security, you might be redirected to a company-branded sign-in page, asked to grant permissions, or prompted for multi-factor verification. Simply follow the on-screen instructions. Outlook guides you through each prompt. If your company uses special security policies or custom server settings, your IT team is the best source for those details, and Outlook will request them only if needed. After a successful sign-in, Outlook completes the connection and begins syncing your messages. This can take a moment, especially if your mailbox is large. You'll know it's working when you see your company address listed among your email accounts and new messages start to appear. From there, composing and replying just works. Outlook will automatically use the correct address for replies. When starting a new message, you can choose the From address if you want to send from your company email explicitly. If you run into issues like repeated password prompts or a connection error, double check that your credentials are current and that your browser isn't blocking pop-ups or third-party cookies needed for sign-in. Refreshing the page or trying a private browsing window can also help isolate a caching issue, and that's all it takes. You've connected your company email to Outlook on the web, streamlined your inbox, and set yourself up to work more efficiently every day.